So there's Marshall. Okay, assistant. I think we were able to get him so it will work, right?
Yes, here we go. Today we're doing Paw Patrol versus Spidey and Friends to see who can complete this crazy course.
So you've got a loop-de-loop, right? Down through the track. But assistant, what happens if they fall right here?
Lava!
Floor is lava.
Keep going down, over, down, up the ramp, and down finally to the Spidey headquarters.
Little Webquarters, right?
Yes.
So if they fall here, there's a water trap.
There's a crash pad right here.
There's a ferocious wolf that's ready to eat them.
Ah!
Right? So ferocious wolf. Rawr, show us your teeth.
Smile for the camera.
Okay. No teeth, but that's okay. And of course, we've got all of this lava. Whoa.
She's on the lava.
I don't know about that. All right, assistant, who should go first?
Spidey.
You want Spidey to be the first lead off.
Yes.
All right, so Spidey's got to go up and through the loop-de-loop and then down. All right. And then he also has to watch out for this kitty cat right here, who's here to see Skye.
Okay, here we go.
Oh no! Into the lava.
Ah!
Oh,
Retry.
We'll try. Retry it again. Yeah, push it back. So this actually takes a fair amount of alignment and practice, right?
Ready? Here we go.
Oh, back into the lava.
No!
So it looks like he fell right here, so we're gonna have to kind of tighten that up a little bit. We're gonna do it again. So this takes a little trial and error, right?
Okay, again.
So here's where he was falling.
Oh!
Oh! Spidey hit the ramp! But that was really, really good.
Okay, so this is your marker right here.
That's as far as we've had anybody
That's the
go.
spot to beat.
All right, so he hit the ramp and kind of actually maybe even broke the ramp a little bit. Let's see if we can kind of make the ramp work better. All right, so who's up next?
Rubble.
Rubble on the double. So let's see, Rubble is going to go right here. Here's the launch pad. And we got to make sure that this is nice and straight. And let's kind of like we did before, kind of curl this up, help keep him on the track.
Okay, here we go.
All right, Rubble, let's see what you got.
Okay, we're gonna have to move on to Rocky.
All right, so Rubble, he got his qualified because he went launch.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, Rocky, you didn't make it.
No.
All right, we'll try. You get 3 tries, right? All right, so Rocky is now getting loaded in. And I'm going to come out this side. So look all the way down. Look how far this is. All the way to the ramp. And then into the Webquarters. All right, Rocky.
Well, ready, set.
Oh, I don't know if Rocky can make it.
One more try.
One more try, Rocky. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Rocky!
Oh, just tried.
He actually made it further up on the ramp. I don't know if you could see it because I
Right there.
didn't really do a great job filming. So Rocky's in first. Right, so I need to go back on the other side. You did not do a good job.
Black Panther.
Did not do a good job of filming that. All right, here's Black Panther. So let's see Black Panther. So here he is. We got to test the track to make sure it's good. Make sure this is nice on there, nice and straight. Push it down.
Here we go.
All right.
3, 2, 1. What? No! One more try, Black Panther. Or 2 more.
It's sometimes I can either film the beginning or...
Go! Oh!
Oh.
They're not making it past the ramp.
They're not making it past the ramp.
Okay, right here.
Yeah.
So they're all on a line right now.
So people, how do you think we can make it so that they can jump this ramp?
I don't know.
So like they're hitting it right here. That's why it's kind of like, and they're not going over it.
Duct tape it to make it flat.
Okay. So we'll have to maybe make a little thin piece, right? So we'll go like that. But if we do too much, I'm afraid that they won't. Assistant, that was a great idea.
Okay, let's try it.
I think it's gonna work.
Or maybe not. But we can try.
Why don't we try Spidey again, okay?
Okay.
From the top. The Spidey, I think, was the one that had the best chance of making it and didn't fail. So here he is. We gotta make it to that web quarters. And I think of anybody, Spidey making it is the most important.
Ready? Here we go.
But make sure it's lined up at the bottom where it's...
Here we go. Oh, hold on.
Oh! He kind of... Oh, I think it's starting to sag a little bit too.
Let's try again.
Try one more time here. At least he didn't fall in the lava.
Ready, Spidey? Go!
Oh, so good, so good. Oh, he almost made it!
Close!
He almost made it!
Oh, right here. That's just the point. Right there.
Good job, Spidey.
Okay.
It is
Up
very,
next.
very difficult for me to film this. Alright, so up next is Marshall. Alright, so we're going to put this back in. Make sure this is nice and straight. So there's Marshall. Okay, assistant. I think we were able to get him so it will work, right?
Yes, here we go.
Oh!
Not enough speed.
Not enough speed. Good observation.
Woo!
Otherwise, he could have made it. Not enough speed in there. All right. Well, hey, that was still pretty good.
Yes.
All right.
Okay, next up, Spidey Gwen. Here we go. It has been ruled by the judges that Spidey, Gwen, and Skye cannot do the loop-de-loop due to their wheels. So, we have decided to opt out of the loop-de-loop and just go with the regular track.
Okay. Should they race? You do one. No, I can't.
Well, what about the
All right. Let's just
ramp
go ahead.
on one side? Okay, Spidey Gwen up first.
Just give her a little push then.
Oh!
Close, but she didn't get over there. I think she needed a little bit more speed.
Harder. Go.
Okay. So Spidey Gwen needed a little more speed. Oh, I guess we did the same thing for Rubble. He got disqualified too.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, she went through it. She made it all the way through.
Goodness.
She made it through the web quarters.
Yes. Okay. Next up, Skye.
Skye, I think Skye can do it because she's can fly, you know. All right, so let's see what you're doing. Here's Skye. All right, let's see if Skye can make it through.
3, 2, 1. Not looking good.
Oh, she crashed. Try it again. Oh, sister wasn't ready.
It was not.
I almost hit her in the face with Skye.
Okay, here we go.
Watch out for that lava, Skye. Skye. Watch out for that lava, Skye.
Well, Skye, you have so far made it the least amount of way.
Yeah, so Skye didn't make it.
Okay, now we're gonna try Rubble because he couldn't go as well.
So Rubble had gotten disqualified, but now we're going to re-qualify him for part 2.
Okay, here we go. 3,
So he's going to go like that. You ready? Rubble! You got close. You got close. All right, so we gotta throw Rubble to the assistant. Boom!
Cool.
Rubble is in the lava. Then you just...
Here we go. Oh, too fast.
Rubble on the double.
Here we go. No!
Oh, pretty close, but not quite. Miles Morales. All right, so first we're gonna try the loop-de-loop. The loop-de-loop definitely has some disadvantages, as in it doesn't really work great. So
Here we go.
here.
Miles Morales. Oh, that didn't work.
You didn't make it around the loop.
Part 2.
Part 2. Here we go.
Oh,
Also didn't
okay.
make it.
One more try and then you...
All right, Miles, this is your last time for the loop-de-loop, buddy.
3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness, no!
Oh, you crashed right
Now
there.
you've made the least amount.
Why don't we give him just a little push down and see what happens?
Okay. Here we go. Might have not been hard enough.
Might not have been. We'll let you throw it. We'll roll it a little harder.
Okay, here we go.
Come on, Miles Morales. Whoa, definitely.
Oh!
That was definitely a hard. You also did it before I said, okay, I'm ready.
You went far.
You went through the web quarters.
And all the way onto the bridge.
Onto the bridge. So this is the Spidey Webquarters, right?
Yes.
So this is the web quarters that we used. And it's pretty fun because, look, you can spin it. There's a little dial right here that spins. And then it locks open and like, look, there's Spidey.
Okay, I'm gonna spin it again.
Okay, ready? Let's close it.
No,
there's-
nobody's there.
There's my side was Gwen and Spidey.
Ah! It's because you can decide if you want to show Spidey or if you want it to not be Spidey. Okay, I'm gonna show Spidey.
There he is.
Woo!
So this is the Spidey Webquarter.
Yes.
This is the Spidey loop-de-loop racing ramp. Of the two, which do you like better?
I like this because it's really fun to spin.
It's really fun to spin. And it seems to work more often.
Yeah.
So, alright, so who was the person that went the furthest without help?
Spidey.
Spidey was the only one to make it without being
Through the
pushed.
loop-de-loop. And with help, Miles Morales.
Miles Morales. Alright, what should the people at home do now?
Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Bye everyone.